Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix and resolve pointers flickering issues in Windows 11. So to resolve this problem you can try some method. First one, open Task Manager. Now in this list find out Windows Explorer. And right click on Windows Explorer and restart. So this is the first method. If this method not work, so try second one. Click on this search and search main.cpl. And open this setting. Now here click on pointers and click on use default and click on pointer options and make sure these all settings are as you can see here. Then apply, then click on OK. If the second method not work, so try third one. Maybe you are using touch screen device or laptop, so you need to disable touch screen. So search device manager, open device manager, and in this list you have to find out human interface devices, expanded. So here you will see touch pad driver, right click on it and disable. This method not work, so try last method, open CMD, run as administrator. Now type this command sfc /scan now. Then press enter. Now complete this scanning and restart. Hopefully guys, using this method you can fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment any method work for you or not.